So I made this pumpkin, and I put some
What's your other hand?
put
Yeah,
some
come on, use your other hand.
paper in it. I got the bag first,
This hand now.
and then I painted it,
Hold
and
on.
then I put
Take
the
this hand.
face on right
Hold
here,
on.
and then I did my name, and then I did lots of blues on my
All good?
you know, my pumpkin, and then I decorated, and then I painted it orange, but it dried, and then I bringed it home, and then I got a pipe cleaner and tied it around right here.
And what's that right there on the front?
This,
Yeah.
that's his mouth.
And what else is on there?
And these, the four things right here are his, all of his eyes. Done.